Alright, so we're going to start it off with a little on feet action here, as you can see. A little side view action, and you can see me wiggle my toes there, and got pretty good room. Pretty good room, size 14 in these. So a little wiggle room, pretty comfortable there. And a little bit of that coming at ya. Coming at ya. Yes, sir. Now let's go ahead and get a little bit of that booty view. Get a little bit of that booty view for you all. Yes, sir.
Y'all be on some other shit. It's kinda bittersweet that I fell in love with it. I always thought that if I always cared about how I dress, that folks would think I'm arrogant and chicks would lose interest. But as it turns out, people start to notice you more. You turn heads when you step and foot in them sneaker stores. Like where you get them, can I get them? What's the biggest size left? And chicks I never would have seen.
What's up, everybody? It's Big Rob TV, and I'm back with another sneaker unboxing. All right. Now, a few weeks ago, Nike was having a sale where you get $30 off the purchase of $150 or something to that effect. So I got these shoes that I'm going to show you today, and actually another pair. So let me bring these on in here. Boom. Jordan box, as you can see. And we'll go ahead and get into this shoe, man. These are the Air Jordan 1 Low, all right? Sport Royal, black and white, okay? And size 14, of course. And the retail on these boys is $90, all right? So these are the Royal Toe Jordan 1 Lows. And I actually have, this makes my third pair of Jordan 1 Lows, or second pair of Jordan 1 Lows. And when I saw these, man, at first I said, don't get them. Don't get them. I've been doing good for the last few months. I haven't copped very much. I hadn't copped anything since June before, you know, these and those Adidas in the previous video. I said, I'm doing good. But then the sale hit. And I said, I can get these and those that are down there that I'll review another day for $150, and then I can get another 10% off, and then to drop them down to $135. What? Had to cop. I had to cop at that price. I had to. So let's go ahead and get into these, man. I actually was wearing these today, so these were my kicks of the day. So yes, sir. Yes, sir. But of course, you all know how I do it right here on Big Rob TV. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Left shoe first, baby. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. So clean. So clean. The Jordan 1 Low Royal Toe. All right. Now y'all know me, man. Y'all know me. Those of you who have been following for a while, those of you who know me well, you see me on Instagram, you know my favorite colorway is the royal and white. Y'all know that, man. I don't even know why I resisted when I saw these. I don't know why I was faking myself out. Like, you knew you were gonna cop these, Rob. Y'all knew that. Y'all were probably waiting on this. Y'all were probably waiting. Y'all probably knew that this was coming ahead of time, right? I don't even know why I faked myself like I wasn't gonna cop these. But when I saw them on the sale for the 150, the 30 off the 150, it made sense. I mean, I got two pairs for 135. It just had to go ahead and cop. So anyway, Jordan 1 Low, man. And these are just like, just like the highs, but just low cut. They're built pretty much the same. Typical Jordan 1 bottom there. The leather on these is not like the leather on these, but with that being said, it's also not bad. It's not terrible. Again, I was wearing these today. These are very comfortable. No doubt about it. So I do like that they have the nice thick tongue. The tongue is a lot thicker. Very nice. So it fits comfortable on your foot right there. On the inside, you got a little bit of royal action there. So royal with the black Jumpman, if you all can see that deep in there. And then on the back, you got your Wings logo. That is normally the Wings logo that is normally at the top here is there on the back there. So that's very nice as well. So yeah, man, everything else is standard. You can see a little bit of dirt, on the bottom there. A little dirt. Rock these today. A little crease action. Jordan 1s, to me, are probably one of the only shoes. I'm looking around right now. I have a lot of shoes in here, as you all know. But Jordan 1 lows, they look good broken in. Like, you can beat Jordan 1s up. Jordan 1s and Chuck Taylors. You beat those shoes up. You wear them all the time. You get them a little dirty. They get them a little creased action. When they look worn, they still look good for Jordan 1s and Chuck Taylors. Like, Chuck Taylors, you can beat down. You can drag your feet, stomp a mud hole in somebody or whatever. They're still Chucks. They're gonna look good to me. And same goes for Jordan 1. So I'm probably gonna wear the absolute hell out of these shoes. I've worn the tan and pink pair that I have. I've worn those a lot too, and they still look fresh. Actually, let me see if I got them down here. I think I got them right here, actually. Worn them a little bit. So, these right here. These were the first pair of Jordan 1s that I got. Look, you see it got some crease action in it. Still fresh, man. Still fresh. As you can see, the bottom's got a little bit of dirt on them. Still fresh. You know what I mean? So I look forward to beating up these. Man, look at that, man. These look really good. I'm glad that I went ahead and jumped on these, because you can't beat a deal, man. You can't beat a good deal like that. As you can see, there is a Jumpman on the tongue. I forgot about that. And then you have your 2, 3 right there. And then on the lace tips, you have your royal color there. So that's about it, man. White midsole, white here on the sides along the Nike check. The Nike swoosh. Sorry those who are critical on swooshes and checks. My bad. A white behind the swoosh there. Very dope, man. Very dope shoe. So anyway, man, that's gonna do it. Thumbs up if you like this video. Subscribe if you have not already. Thank you all for watching. I truly appreciate it. More content is on the way, and I will holler at you all in the next video. Peace.